Hi, this is Valerie Hunter Kelly with the Air Assault team at Keller Williams here in cold Clarksville, Tennessee. We're the only team in Clarksville that's endorsed by Barbara Corcoran of Shark Tank. Our topic today will be about how do I know if my listing is overpriced? I get that question from sellers, I get it from other agents, so we're going to talk about that for a few minutes. So we'll be back in a minute. So we said today we're going to talk about how do I know if my listing is overpriced or not. Well, when a house is up for sale, there's only two things we can control. It's either price or it's condition. You may have heard it's a price war and it's a beauty contest out there. And that is definitely true. So how do I know if my listing's not priced right? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can know in terms of we put it on the market and there's no showings that first even couple of weeks on the market, definitely 30 days. If we don't get these showings or we get very little and I know prices are active in that price range, then that lets us know that buyers are not willing to pay what the market's not willing to pay what you have your home listed for. So it's probably time to look at a price reduction then. Or you might need to make some changes. Is if the house is priced right, but it doesn't show well, and everybody's showing begins online. So you have to have a great presence. You can't use your camera phones to take pictures. We use a professional photographer because that's what I got into real estate to do. And pictures are so important because that's where people begin their searches online. So, and that's going to be your first showing, which gets you to future showings. So it's either price or it's condition. And again, if you get a lot of showings, let's say you get 10 showings or more and there's no offers, that's another indication that the house is not priced right for the market. Because what's happening at that point is people are using your house maybe to sell another house, and you never want to be that particular property. So to find out, what do I need to do? Are my pictures the right way they should look? Is my house priced right for the market? That's what my job is, and I'm really good at it, to be able to interpret the market and tell you where you need to be in that market. That's what the realtor's job is you can find a lot of things online, but you need someone to interpret it for you. So give us a call at 931-245-7435 or email me at Valerie@ValerieHunterKelly.com or go to our website at airassaults.com, and we'd be glad to talk to you in more detail about how you can get that home sold.